Hello, my topic is optimization and two problem. First we look what is optimization. To optimize something means to maximize or minimize some aspect of it. Differential calculus is a powerful tool for solving problems that call for maximizing or minimizing function. The procedure for solving such applied optimization problem is follows. Step 1. Read the problem. Read the problem until you understand it. You should have a clear picture of what is given and what is unknown quantity to be optimized. Then step 2. Draw a picture if necessary and label parts that may be important to the problem. Step 3. Introduce variables. List every relation in the picture in the problem as an equation or algebraic expression and identify the unknown variable. Step 4. Write an equation for unknown quantity. If you can express the unknown as a function of a single variable or in two equations in two unknowns, this may require considerable manipulation. Then step 5. Step 5 is test the critical point and endpoint in the domain of the unknown. Use the first and second derivative to identify and classify the function's critical point. Last step 6. State the answer in words. Then we look at problem. Problem number 1. What is the smallest perimeter possible for a rectangle whose area is 16 inch square? Answer. Let x be the length and y be the breadth of a rectangle with area 16 inch square. Then xy is equal to 16. So y is equal to 16 by x. Let P denote the perimeter of rectangle. Then P is equal to 2x plus 2y. 2x plus 2 into 16 by x. 16 by x equal to 2x plus 32 by x, because y is equal to 16 by x. P is the differentiable function of x and its domain consists of all positive real numbers. Since the domain has no endpoint, P can have minimum only at the critical point. Differentiating P with respect to x, we get dp by dx equal to 2 minus 32 by x square, that is equal to 2x square minus 32 by x square. Now dp by dx equal to 0, then 2x square minus 32 by x square is equal to 0, that implies x square is equal to 16, then x is equal to 4. Then d square p by dx square is equal to minus 32 into minus 2 by x cube is equal to 64 by x cube. X cube is equal to 4 cube. 64 by 4 cube is equal to 1 greater than or greater than 0. Hence the perimeter is minimum when x equal to 4, y is equal to 16 by x equal to 4. Thus perimeter is minimum when both length and breadth equal to 4. In other words, the perimeter is minimum when the rectangle is a square of side 4 inches and the minimum perimeter is 16 inches. Then problem number 2. You are planning to make an open rectangle box from 15 by 18 piece of cardboard by cutting squares from the corners and folding up the side. What are the dimensions of the box of largest volume you can make in this way? Okay, this way. Answer നോക്കാം. Let x centimeter be the sides of each squares shown in figure. Cut off from the square corners of the cardboard of the dimension by 15 by 18. Then the box constructed as the following dimension: length of the box 15 minus 2x, then breadth 8 minus 2x, this height of the box x. Let V denote the volume of box construct. V is equal to length into breadth into height. That's equal to 15 minus 2x into 8 minus 2x into x. That is equal to 120x minus 46x square plus 4x cube. This volume of the box V is differentiable function of x, and since breadth of the cardboard is only 18x less than or equal to 0, hence the domain of V is closed interval 0. For differentiating V with respect to x, we get dV by dx equal to 120 minus 92x plus 12x square is equal to 4 into 3x minus 5 into x minus 6. Which is equal to dv by dx equal to 0. That implies 4 into 3x minus 5 into x minus 6 equal to 0. That implies x equal to 5 by 3 or x equal to 6. Since x equal to 6 is not a point of domain, it is inadmissible. Also, d square v by dx square is equal to minus 92 plus 24x, and also so d square by dx square x equal to 5 by 3 is equal to minus 92 plus 24 into 5 by 3 is equal to minus 52, which is less than 0. Hence, V has a local maxima at x equal to 5 by 3. The value of V at the critical point x equal to 5 by 3 and at the end point x equal to 0 and x equal to 4 are V of 5 by 3 is equal to 15 minus 10 by 6 into 8 minus 15 minus 10 by 3 into 8 minus 10 by 3 into 5 by 3, which is equal to 2450 by 27. V of 0 is equal to 0, V of 4 is equal to 0. Hence, the maximum volume is 2450 by 27, and the maximum volume is attained when x equal to 5 by 3. Therefore, the box with the maximum volume has length 15 minus 2x equal to 35 by 3 inches, breadth 8 minus 2x equal to 14 by 3 inches, and height x equal to 5 by 3 inches. Okay, that's it. Optimization and two problems. Thank you.